Imagine this. You sit down to work. You open your laptop. 2 hours later, you look up. And you realize you just finished something that normally takes 2 days. No distractions. No procrastination. No quick phone checks. Not because you had motivation. Not because you suddenly became disciplined. But because you had the right system. In this video, I will give you 7 productivity systems. Systems that do not rely on motivation. Systems that do not require forcing yourself. Systems that help you focus naturally. You are not lazy. You are simply using the wrong operating system for your brain. Part 1. The root cause. Productivity does not come from motivation. People always say you need more discipline. You need to push harder. You need stronger determination. Here is the truth. Discipline runs out quickly. Motivation disappears overnight. Willpower collapses when you are tired or stressed. But your environment works 24/7. Productivity is not about trying harder. It is about designing your life so you win without effort. Hack 1. Turn your phone into a tool. Your phone is designed to steal your attention. If your environment is designed for you to lose, you will lose. Make 3 simple changes. Switch your phone to grayscale. Less color means less dopamine. You open it less. Hide addictive apps inside one folder. Name it use later or not important. More friction means less usage. Move learning and work apps to your home screen. Less friction means more usage. You are not resisting yourself. You are routing yourself. This is the first step to becoming dangerously focused. Hack 2. The 5-minute morning activation. You do not need to wake up at 5 a.m. You just need to start your day in the right state. 5 minutes total. Drink water for 30 seconds. Move lightly for 2 minutes. Write down the 3 key tasks for 2 minutes. This tells your brain, today I lead. I do not get dragged around. Small rituals create big momentum. Hack 3. The 90-minute deep work framework. Real productivity comes from full focus, not sitting at a desk all day. Choose one task. Set a 90-minute timer. Use one playlist. Turn off notifications. Turn on Do Not Disturb. Your brain works in cycles. 90 minutes peak. 20 minutes recovery. During those 90 minutes, you will produce what most people do in 5 hours. Hack 4. Create focus cues. Your brain is programmable. Same spot. Same playlist. Same drink. Same warm-up action. These cues tell your brain, it is time to work. One location. One playlist. One starting ritual. After 2 or 3 weeks, focus becomes automatic. No forcing needed. Hack 5. Track progress you can see. People do not quit because something is hard. They quit because they cannot see improvement. Create a streak board. 1 deep work block equals 1 point. 5 points equals 1 reward. Miss a day and the streak resets. You will not want to break your streak. Hack 6. Manage energy, not time. You do not lack time. You lack the energy to use your time well. Sleep consistently. Move 10 minutes a day. Eat clean and simple foods. Write down unfinished thoughts before bed. Low energy means low focus. Low focus means low results. Hack 7. Theme your days. Multitasking only makes you average at many things. Give each day one mission. Monday is for learning. Tuesday is for writing. Wednesday is for editing. Friday is for cleanup. You no longer ask, what should I do today? You simply follow the theme. Conclusion: you are not lazy. If you feel unmotivated or scattered, the truth is simple. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not lacking discipline. You are using systems that do not match how your brain works. Focus is a skill. Skills come from systems. Systems come from design. Use the 7 systems in this video, and you will become productive in a way that surprises everyone around you. No perfection needed. Just the right design, and everything begins to change.